Today we have discussed regarding the infection. ठीक अछि. First of all, we should be know कि what do you mean by infection. ठीक अछि. हला. First of all, we should be know कि what do you mean by the infection and how the infection should be occur. First of all, before going to the topics, we should be know कि what is the difference between the infection and the inflammation and the how the infection should be occur. What is the definition of the infection? The infection should be the invasion of microorganism and invasion and multiplication of microorganism. Means we can say it is the invasion, means it should be entry of the microorganism. Means when the microorganism should be enter to our body and then it should be multiply, and that is called the what? That is called the infection. Now the question is ki, what is the sources? So how the infection should be comes, and what is the sources and how the infection should be comes to the where? To our body. ठीक है. Then we can say the sources of infection. ठीक है. Now the sources of the infection should be divided into two types. ठीक है. It should be divided into two types. First one is the what? First one is the living sources. Second or next one is the what? The non-living sources. ठीक है. First one is the what? Living sources. Then second one is the non-living sources. ठीक है. Living sources means those are the things that should be living, means that should be that have a life. ठीक है. For example, human being that should be have a life. ठीक है. That's why that is called the living sources of the infection. Then second one is the what? The non-living things. The non-living things माने कौन? Non-living things, it's and types of the infection in which the sources should be non-living. They cannot have a life. That is, for example, air, water, then soil. These are the examples. These are the examples of the what? These are the examples of the non-living things. We can say the sources of the infection, it is classified into two types. First one is the what? The living things. Second one is the non-living things. Living things, we can example of the human, and second one is the non-living things, that is called the air, water and the soil. देखिए एथर भी